Hello folks, I've been using this Hohem I2SteadyPro 2. It's a camera gimbal stabilizing system for action cams. I'm going to take a look at it and show you right now what this little unit does. I got to tell you, there's really nothing that I do not like about it. It comes with this little book, comes with some extra stuff here, your cables, and it fits really nice in this carrying case. And one of the things I want to show you is it comes with this little unit right here, which can screw on to the bottom. And this is actually a tripod. So you can set the unit right down on its tripod. It's just quite amazing little thing. That's a good idea. Also, many of you know I've made this little handle out of wood, and there's a slot, 1/4-inch screw opening over here, so I can screw this in to the side and also have another handle to hold on to, which is nice. Now the thing that's cool, this is for all action cameras, and it's got an adjustment for just about every kind of action camera that you can think of to put on here. Now what I'm using is my Victure 4K with Wi-Fi, and this camera does a really good job. I've got it set for 140 degrees and 1080p full HD at 30 frames per second. I don't use 60 because that takes up a little bit more memory. So let's take a look at this. First of all, on the side right here, can't see them until I push the go button once. This gives your battery indication. LEDs right here. See, it's full at 4. Okay. On the front, there is adjustments for the tilt, the joystick for tilt up and down, and right and left. There's also 4 adjustments for how you want to set your angle up to run when you're videoing. So pretty slick there. On the front here is a trigger. If I push that twice, it will recenter the camera. If I hold that in when I'm recording stuff, it puts it in action mode, so I can actually move around pretty fast but still have a smooth camera setup. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn it on right now. This is pretty simple. If you put the camera in, like I've got here, and it's on right now, and I'm going to press this button once right here, and you hold that in until you get the blue light blink and you let go, and it's on, stabilized. And right now everything is perfectly stabilized and it's constantly following. Okay, so if I want to adjust the camera up and down, let me turn it sideways so you can see, I can move this lens just like this, or I can turn it all the way around, just like this. Now, to reset everything, I would just push this trigger twice real quick, and that resets everything back to normal. Pretty slick, and as you can see, it's holding its position. Now that's on position 1 right now, which is everything is solid. So no matter what you're doing in the front, the camera is staying right in front of you. No matter what happens, the camera stays there. It's perfect. If I press this button twice, blink, blink, the green light is now blinking twice. So now the camera will actually, when I go up, it will follow the up and down movement, as you see. And again, if I hold the trigger in, I've got action, and it stays. It follows whatever you're doing pretty good. Well, I've been using the Steadicam holder that came with the Unique 500, but I have to use my phone with that. I don't have to use my phone with this, but I'm going to show you that there's a great app that you can use your phone with this. So again, if I hold this down 1, 2, 3, this now locks everything, as you see, right where I have left it. It's in perfect shape. And if I hold it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this indicator light blinks, telling you the situation that you're in, so you know what mode you're in. Probably one of the best things about it is the motors are absolutely silent. So you're not getting motor noise going into your camera when you're recording. And that's a big plus, you know, for me anyway. All right, so what else can I show you about this? Let's take the phone, and I'm going to turn on the Hohem app right here, and I pick the camera that I'm going to do. So this is the SteadyPro 2, and I click connecting the device, and now click connect, and it is connected, and there it is. So now what's kind of cool about this app is I can take and control the camera with this joystick. So I can move it up and down, left and right. I don't have to be anywhere near it. If I want to do the tilt or anything, I can do the tilt. And again, it's silent.
This is handy if you want to frame yourself from the tripod.
Pan follow is over here, so that's going to follow. And I can lock everything. I can set all the settings that you're doing with this blinking light on there with the phone app, which is pretty cool, I gotta say. And the all follow mode, which is this. And again, I can adjust everything the way I want it. But I like the tilt follow mode.
Well, like I said, I don't need to use the phone to turn on the recording with this like the Unique requires. But I can adjust motor speeds and all kinds of other parameters exactly as I want, then use the I2SteadyPro 2 gimbal pod without the phone. It's great.
They make these for your iPhone, so you can actually do things with your iPhone too, but I like this little action cam. It's pretty neat. So anyway, I can shut that off, and then the Bluetooth light goes off. And again, it's pretty doggone slick. So let's go show you a few shoots with it. So I'm just going to walk with it. Run. Idly is assisting me today. I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. She can follow it. Alright. There we go, folks.
You might note that this unit fits in the included carrying case with the camera attached, so you can actually take it out and start shooting right away. It also has its own USB port, so you can charge or run your action camera or your phone right from the unit. I like it a lot and give thanks to my wife and assistant, as she's going to be able to get smoother shots, especially of that next F-16 flight. I'm going to put a link in the description box, so if you want to find out more from Banggood where I got it, you can. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy photography.